Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Crack Economics and Statistics. This is Atman. In the series of economics in 4 minutes, today I'm going to discuss the idea of production possibility frontier and marginal rate of transformation. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more videos on economics, statistics, SPSS and R programming. You can also find a short write-up of our videos on the website crackecoandstat.wordpress.com. The link is given in the description. As we know, economics is about trade-off that consumers and producers face. So basically, economics studies the management of the available scarce resources. Let's assume that economy produces two commodities, computers and food, and all the inputs, that is labor and capital, are used in the production of these two commodities. So production possibility frontier shows the combination of two goods that economy can produce with its available fixed inputs holding the technology constant. Let's understand the production possibility frontier with the help of the diagram. Food is measured along x-axis and computer is measured along y-axis. AE is the production possibility frontier. OA shows the maximum units of computers produced with available fixed inputs and technology. Similarly, OE shows the maximum units of food produced with available fixed inputs and technology. Now, point B, C, and D are on the production possibility frontier, and they show the efficient production of both the commodities because all the inputs are efficiently used. So there is no way to increase the production of food without reducing the production of computers and vice versa. Let's talk about point F. Point F lies inside the production possibility frontier, and therefore it shows the inefficient outcome because economy could produce more with available fixed inputs. On the other hand, we have point H, which lies outside the production possibility frontier. So the economy cannot produce at point H with available fixed inputs because we require more inputs to produce at point H. So PPF shows the trade-off that economy faces. A movement from B to point C shows the increase in the production of food and reduction in the production of computers. Similarly, a movement from point C to point B shows the increase in the production of computers and reduction in the production of food. Now, what is marginal rate of transformation? The slope of the PPF is known as marginal rate of transformation, and we can see that the slope of this curve is concave to the origin. So basically, it shows the amount of one commodity that must be given up to produce an additional unit of another commodity. So in our example, it shows the amount of computer that must be given up to produce an additional unit of food and vice versa. It shows the opportunity cost. So opportunity cost of food as measured in terms of computers or opportunity cost of computers as measured in terms of food. The production possibility frontier considers two goods. We are talking about two commodities. And therefore, this is the basic building blocks for general equilibrium models. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crack Economics and Statistics. Thank you.